Can you say Salam Rodmer, please, please? Salam
Salam
Rodmer.
Rodman.
Yeah, thank you, man.
Yeah, that's Arabic, like Salam Alaikum, right?
No, that's Persian.
Oh, that's Persian. Okay, well, Salam Robert.
Can you play Persian music? That's
All
good.
right. All right, hey, play Persian, digga.
تو رفتی ولی فکر تو سر من مون همیشه نبوده منو قلبم ترسون نگو بهم که تو داشتی
Digga. Digga. Say digga.
تو رو دیدم من پسندیدم از تو دلم رفت از اون شب شدم از
Yeah.
What kind of music is that again?
That's Talishir. That's one Persian singer.
Oh, Talishir. All right. Okay,
Talishir,
digga.
yeah.
Okay. Oh, no, wait. Are you from Persia? You from Persia?
I'm from Iran, but I'm living in Canada.